Hi, this is Russ from ProSteamUK. Today we are in New Malden at the Blue Junction restaurant and bar, and you can tell a good restaurant from a bad one because they actually invest in having their carpets and flooring cleaned and maintained. And so we're back here again to strip and seal this Amtico. And we've got about 75 square metres of Amtico. Now, take a look at the floor and you will see that it's scuffed and it's a bit scratched and looking a bit worn, okay? What we're going to do here, we're going to strip the previous sealant from the flooring, and then once we've done that, we're going to apply a product by Dr. Schutz, and it's a PU sealer, very, very hard wearing. It's about 6 times more hard wearing than any standard sealant that you'd put on luxury vinyl tile, okay? And it's also going to have an additive which will fill the scratches, okay, and the scuffs. And when we come back to this video, to this floor, we will see a significant improvement in the appearance, okay? I'm not going to say it's going to make the floor look brand new, but it's going to make it look very, very close, okay? So, just check out those scuffs and scratches, okay? And after 2 coats, we will see exactly how this floor looks. Right, we have come to the end of this job, and the floor is now looking loads better. And as you can see, those unsightly scuffs and scratches have all but disappeared. The product we have has filled in the scuffs and rebuilt the wear layer, which was damaged. So this particular type of sealant that we have used on this floor is ideal for commercial premises such as restaurants, shops, that kind of thing, sports centres. The great thing with this is it's not going to need to be stripped and sealed every year. As long as this floor is maintained daily with sweeping and then mopping using the correct products, there's no reason why this floor won't continue to look like this for 2 or 3 years. It's more cost effective to have a sealant which is permanent rather than a non-permanent sealer. So as you can see, it's looking really good, and the client will be overjoyed with the results that we have achieved.